Based on data between 2003 2005, old data.
Oh my goodness.
The following function models the sales, S of X, where X is the number of computers sold in millions, and it looks like S of X is in billions of dollars. So we've got the two units, and essentially X is millions, and S of X is billions. So those are the two units, X and Y. I got to keep that in mind. What were the sales if 5 million Macs were sold? Well, that's S of 5, which is negative 0.111 times 5 squared plus 2.33033 times 5 minus 0.6. So I'm going to take my handy dandy calculator. It's hard anymore by the way, to avoid problems now with the calculator, because I was looking for examples for your test. Every single one of them now are calculator driven, which is kind of interesting. So negative 0.1234 times 5 squared and plus 2.033 times 5 minus 0.6. Now I cross-check this again because knowing I make mistakes, and then press enter, and what, 6.79. So it's 6.79 what? Billion dollars. Don't forget your units. Does the above function have a maximum or a minimum? Well, I know this guy does this, right? So I put that down there so I can see it. And so then I write the word what? Maximum. Then it's not abstract. How do I know? Negative in front, or A is negative 0.1123, and it's less than 0. Or you can just say A is negative, because A is always the coefficient of x squared. How many Macs were sold at the maximum? And it says how many Macs. How many Macs is the X? Maximum means what? Vertex. So I'm looking for the x-coordinate of the vertex. So the x-coordinate of the vertex is minus b over 2a, which is minus 2.033 over 2 times negative 0.1234. Now, in a test situation, I don't necessarily, I would, personally, I'd multiply the 2 through, and I'd end up with 4 2's. I know a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So I'm really taking, and what I would do probably in a test situation, 2.033 divided by parenthesis 2 times 0.1234. I wouldn't trust myself to do the multiplication. I just don't. And after yesterday, I don't trust myself to do anything. 9.1 approximately. 9.1 what? Million, yeah. Now, I don't know if that's good or not. I'm not, even though I am a Mac person, I've not kept track of that stuff. Now, this is where your calculator can be quite helpful, because it says, what is the maximum or minimum, and it's going to be maximum sales. Maximum means vertex, and sales, that's the y-coordinate of the vertex. So I'm looking for S of 9.1, which is negative 0.1234 times 9.1 squared plus 2.033 times 9.1 minus 0.6. Now that can be a pain in the rear, but haven't I already done a calculation before involving S? Yeah. So, and here it is. I just need to edit that. So all I need to do is to bring it back and second enter, and there it is. And I edit this guy, and that's going to be, I'm just going to do an insert, second insert 9.1, and then delete the 5. Again, second insert 9.1, and then delete the 5, and press enter, and 8.7, and it's 8.7 what? Billion dollars. Or 8.1, 8.7. 8.7 billion.